This is Ben Lang-Henriks of Genie Software talking about AppsFidelity and modernizing your data. We all have a lot of data in Notes, a lot of legacy apps, and what we hear is modernize your apps now or be left behind. So if we go ahead and modernize them, what do we go to? SharePoint, Custom, Salesforce, XPages, G Suite, something. But what about the data? Your apps have all sorts of data. Years worth sometimes. So if we go back and look, we have things like collapsible sections, which we're used to using. We have attachments scattered throughout rich text fields, which we're used to being able to click on and open. We have fancy tables that show things. And what happens to that data when we modernize the app? Well, if we don't do anything, then the data doesn't modernize along with the app. So we might not have sections, or they might not be clearly delineated. Your attachment links disappear and they're attached awkwardly off to the side. And your tables look terrible. So your data wasn't modernized along with your apps. But what if we use AppsFidelity? Let's just turn it on. We'll use exactly the same data, but now we'll have AppsFidelity running in the background to do its automatic conversion. So if we open the document, the sections are clearly delineated. Attachment icons appear where we're used to, and we can click on them and open them. Our tables look the way they did in Notes. The data has been modernized. And it's editable outside Notes, whether you're in XPages or somewhere else. Whatever form you want, it's modern data that you can access in modern ways. So we can edit and save things. Whatever changes we make will be saved, and we'll be able to continue using it and preserve it. So that's good. Our data is modernized. That's great. But what if we have to go back? And if we do, AppsFidelity also converts everything back on the fly so that your sections still work. Your attachments turn back into Notes attachments, even when there have been changes in the data. Your tables still look good in Notes, and even if you edit them. HTML, MIME, JSON, CSV, modernize your data.